Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's install Windows in Acer Chromebook. First you need to do is to check your Chrome is compatible or not for this open cool star site on any browser, link in description, and then chose Chrome OS. Now find you make and model or type it in search bar by its code. Ours is bobba 360, stupid name. Now chose, and if say you have window enabled device then you can install, else don't try. Now first we need is to reset our Chromebook so no bugs during unlocking of BIOS. Press Ctrl Alt Shift and are all together until this power wash display. Now press power wash button and wait. Plug your charger if battery is weak, reason Chromebook can be brick. After it restart back, follow wizard to activate it. We need our power keys. In our case we find it's broken, so let's fix this first. Now power off your Chromebook if your power key is working. Open developer mode, turn on Chromebook, press Ctrl and D. This developer will open. Here just press enter. After this open terminal for command line as mentioned in web wheel gave you in description as well. Ctrl Alt and F2, second key on top left is UF2. There your terminal is open. Now type this command in single go on one by one. cd curl lomrchromebox.txt/firmwareutil.sh and in sudo bash firmware-utl.sh. If didn't work like us, then type first comment till end and then second command. If ask for root user is chromios and password, it'll ask you to set, in our case it's admin, so type that and press enter to go. When you process, this screen will display. Now you need to install unlock files from here. Here first you make sure your FWWP status is disabled. If enable, can't go further, recheck commands and process again. How to disable it? Check you unlock keys for specific model in this Acer is remove battery and process again, so let's remove and try again. I also try legacy files but no success. Let's remove battery. Let's retype all commands again. Finally FWWP disable. Let's install now. Press 2 full ROM. Then Y to yes. Then type I accept capital all. Y to yes again. Here one small thing, need a black USB for backup, plug it in the USB port. Now same process, Y then I accept, then Y again, this type USB plug-in. Now let it install. Till it install, check our other video, subscribe us here, follow us on Insta and TikTok. Like, share. Okay, here we are done. Unplug your USB now and press enter. Now Chrome will install. Wait, don't do anything. For next process we need bootable Windows. How to make process is here. Okay, this is done here. Now press R and enter to reboot. Here we are. This rabbit is a symbol of success. Now plug bootable Windows USB and install Windows. Type exit or in start, press escape key for BIOS. Here chose boot from USB. Now chose window and install in drive partition. Delete all partition and use smallest tiny Windows. Reason storage is so small in Chromebooks. If have extra keyboard, open CMD shift with F10 and use diskpart command to delete all partition of. If can't, then delete like us, Alt D key. Now from settings, enable desktop icons and check drivers. Open Coolstar Web again, find your model and download drivers. Some are paid, some are free, so do as you like. That's all for this video. See you in next video very soon. God bless us all, Amin.